Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to unlink Activision account or Call of Duty account from Twitch. Follow these easy steps to unlink your Activision from Twitch. Go ahead and launch your Twitch and make sure to log into your Twitch account. Now click on your profile photo and click on settings. And here select connections. And here scroll down all the way to the bottom. If you connected your Activision account with your Twitch account, then under other connections you will get Call of Duty. Now to disconnect it from your Twitch account, just click on disconnect. Yes. And your Activision or Call of Duty account will be unlinked from your Twitch account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.